Follow the pin on the footing. Don't follow the footing. Follow the wall.
In this episode of How to Build a Custom Home, we will take you to the behind the scene of the second part of creating a foundation wall. From the last episode, we left off with starting off the creating and laying down the footings for the preparations of the foundations. So in this episode, we're going to explore more in details the intricate part of building and forming the foundation. Of course, the idea here is to give you guys as much details as possible, the step process, because there's a lot of things going on here. So I'm going to try to break it down what was happening here as much as possible so you can fully understand how the foundations of your house was being built. So the process was, after the footings was cured, the surveyor came and laid down the markers where we can start building the foundation wall. As you can see it from here, there's a string markers that was set by the surveyors as a guide for us to follow to build the concrete wall. So we are now in the process of erecting the forms for the foundation wall in preparation for pouring the concrete. Once this foundation wall was completely built, a rebar will be installed inside to strengthen the foundation wall. And as you can see from the footings here, there was a rebar metal sticking out, and that is there to help strengthen the foundation wall and to completely attach it to the foundation footings to make sure that they would bond properly. This is the most intricate part of building process, and these steps needs to be closely supervised by the head of the general contractor and the planner to make sure that these steps will be in accordance to the drawing. As you can see it here, I am talking to the foreman and the head of a planning as they closely monitor what was happening on the ground in real time. In the next episode, I am going to expand more and explain more in details about the drainage and the weeping tiles. So stay tuned in the next episode. Take care.
The city will come first, and then.
Yeah, they came, they inspect already for the footing.
Thank you.
So now after when we ready for the wall, so inspector will come and he will inspect, and then we pour the concrete.
Follow the pin on the footing. Don't follow the footing. Follow the wall. All these things here, that's where
Rebars.
the rebars. That's where
Yeah, we are putting the rebars like this, and then the other way. It's center, 16 center, right? The both way. So we are installing the rebars as per drawing, whatever the required on the drawing. So we follow that.